Hello guys, what is up? I hope all is well and welcome to the next video tutorial. And in this video I will show you actually how to actually capture your mobile screen through this software here, which is called where is it? Yeah, it's called like CSCR CPY Scrippy or something like that. Okay, this is like a Genie mobile, is a folder under Genie mobile. And what this allows you actually to via a USB you can actually capture your mobile screen. So at the moment the phone I got is a USB-C phone, but you can try with your other phones. Okay, and as long as you have a USB cable which actually connects with your computer, you can actually capture the mobile screen. So I will actually, what you have to do first, you have to visit this page here, and I will put this under the description. That is at github.com/genemobile/scrippy. Okay, and you have to go down there. You have to go down all the way and you have to download. If you are using Windows, you can actually use this one here, the zip files. Okay, and for Mac users you have to read all this. Okay, so I am not a Mac user, so I will actually use for Windows one. So you have to click download. Okay, so once you click that, it will be downloaded, as you can see at the bottom. Okay, so once it's been downloaded, you will get this file here. So if let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so what you can do, you can now what you have to do, you have to extract. Okay, so just extract the files. Now by this point you have to make sure, and this is very important, that the debugging mode, okay, the debugging mode in your mobile is on, otherwise it won't work. So debugging mode, you have to, normally what you have to do, you have to go to your section in the settings which is called about phone, and once you go there, you have to click on build number like few times, and it will open up the debugging mode. Okay, and I will make just check my channel, and because I will be making another video soon about it. So if you are watching this video in the future, most likely I have a video on my channel. So just go to my channel and search for debugging mode, how to enable debugging mode in your mobile phone, and then you will find ton of videos. You can even look at my video, and if I have that video, I will mention on the I button. Okay, so that's very easy. Just make sure the debugging mode is on. And now what you can do, and also make sure, not only that, also make sure your USB is connected with your mobile phone to your computer. Okay, so USB connection is there with the mobile phone and the computer, and the debugging mode is on. That is very important. And then you have to open Scrippy console. Okay, just right click, run as an administrator, and as you can see, this is my mobile screen. So I already opened up PUBG. Okay, PUBG mobile. You can capture anything you like, but for this example I used PUBG. So just click OK, and as you can see, this is the the screen. Now the only problem with this setup is there is no audio in it, but the audio is very simple. You can actually get a aux cable. Okay, aux cable, I believe you call it aux cable. For example, you use earphones or headphones, the cable headphones in your phone. So that part of the cable, the connector, is from both sides, is the same thing. So what you can do, basically you can connect that with your phone to your computer inside into the the recording port. Okay, there is a port there, which actually you use it for mic. Okay, so you have to connect one port to the other to send the audio this way, and you can listen the audio through your computer. Okay, so if you want that video tutorial, just let me know in a comment, and I will make another video on that. But you can search, okay, on YouTube or on Google, and then you will find ton of answers. But for this tutorial, our goal is to actually get that footage, which costs you a lot of money if you go for a capture card or any other part, okay, which costs a lot of money. And this is the easiest and the cheapest way. So just make sure get the footage, and make sure you have the aux cable in hand. Just connect the both sides from the port of the microphone, okay, the headphones, and connect that part into your computer, and you can get audio that way. All right, so we click on this and let's see how it performs. So let me go to, it says start. I can't click anywhere else. Just let's start and let's see. It works very fine and very smooth. I can't see any glitches or anything else so far. And let's see how the video goes. And I mean, this is like a very nice way. I really like that feature actually, because you can get that footage. I mean, that's the expensive part, you know. So that's now, this is over. Now there is a little bit lag, but this is actually not because of the screen. It is just because of my phone. Okay, my mobile phone is not a gaming phone, so is this lag is on my phone as well. Okay, so it's not about the connection, to be honest. It's just my gaming actually. It's not a gaming phone, to be honest. But other thing is I have to use like smooth settings. Okay, and I need to save that. Also I need to go to the lobby, and this is very important that you choose low settings. Okay, and I think yes, all work fine. And just let's see, it's very like accurate. I mean, there is no lag. Unbelievable. It's like I can play my the PUBG by looking at my screen, like on a big screen. I mean, this is unbelievable. And the other thing I noticed that I can even click and control the through my mouse. I can control that. I mean, this is unbelievable. But I don't recommend that. Maybe, I mean, I don't know if it's allowed by PUBG. But what we can do, we can just use our mobile phone and play the game. I mean, this is unbelievable. Like, it's so unlaggy. Like, there is no delay in it. There is no delay at all. So that's a very nice feature, which is absolutely free. The quality is great. I mean, what else we need? Just the audio. Okay, we can do that. I will get the aux cable, and I really want to have that audio, and I will, come on, get it up. Oh, this is my own mate. Oh, sorry, man. Alright, this is all looks good. Okay, so how can I jump? Actually, it is, yeah, like that. So as you can see, there is a little bit, I mean, lag, but this is actually my phone. Actually, it's not the connection. I can see exactly what I see on the phone, and I can see a little bit stutter on my phone because my phone is not a gaming phone. Okay, this is just a normal user phone. Oi, who is that? Who is shooting? I think it's a bot. Come on, shoot him. Oh, sorry, man. You know what? I'm not a mobile gamer, So I got no idea. I'm a PC gamer, so come on, shoot this guy. Come on. Finally, I got one killed. Come on. That's great. All right. That's very nice. Alright, so this is a very short video. I hope you like this video. If you do, then please hit the like button and subscribe. And this is how actually you captured your mobile screen to your computer. And if you want to use this on your OBS or a streaming software, if you want to play these games and stream, it's very simple. Just go to your OBS and you can actually use Windows capture. There is a box there for Windows capture or display capture in OBS, and you can actually use that to capture these footages. Okay, so if you want that tutorial, please let me know in the comment box and I will make a tutorial on that. Okay, and yes, so that's it for this video, and I hope this video was helpful. If it does, please hit the like button, and I will see you in another video. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.